welding, or solid state welding, or bonding. Iron is peculiar. You have about maybe a 200 to 250 degree window Fahrenheit within which to get the weld done. Yeah, you have to work quickly if you're doing it by hand. It can be done by pressure, solid pressure, but it also can be done by intermittent blows. But it's not molten. There's this misconception that the surface is molten. The surface has to be molten or it wouldn't stick together. No. Why would the Scientific American call it solid state if it was molten? If it was molten, you'd have a big puddle on the floor. But there are those who say, well, the surface is molten. That's what causes it to weld. No. You got that window to work within. It's solid state. Assuming everything is clean, you'll get cohesion, not adhesion. Adhesion's a fucking glue job. Elmer's glue. It coheres. That's in the dictionary. Cohere. Look it up. They have done experiments where they weld in outer space. So we assume there's no atmosphere, and when you get way out there and it's cold, they take highly polished machined specimens that have an absolute flat. I assume that they keep them in a vacuum so that they don't get scaled. Take them into outer space, put them together, and they get a perfect weld. No heat. It's cold up there. Why did they get a perfect weld? Not this kind of a weld where it's sticking together. No. Molecular cohesion. Because there's no atmospheric contamination up there. No oxygen. No carbon dioxide. No carbon monoxide. Oxygen's our biggest bugaboo when we try to forge weld. And we love to breathe it because we're down here on Earth. But it sure does play hell with our work. Food for thought. Got a brush?
One on that end.
One on the end, one right here.
Thank you. Thank you.